All right, this week we are at Timberlake Villages condos in Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. And we're working on these two back decks. They actually run together. What they did was they knocked out the closet wall between the two units. They bought both of these units, and we're gonna make two different looks here. Over here is going to be a pattern called Ashlar Slate pattern with Tuscan slate texture. You know, we got some cracks to repair here, and this carries on out and around. A couple of spalls I'll have to repair, but this is going to be Ashlar Slate, and it's going to be random squares and rectangles. That's what that is. Out here, this is just going to be Tuscan slate, and we're going to do a acid stain on it. But right now this one had carpet on it. We're taking the carpet glue off. The other decks, we just had to grind down the texture just because it was very heavy, and it looks like there's a crack out here that has to be repaired as well. Yep. So that is what we have for the next couple of weeks. All right, we have all the cracks repaired. Just ground this one down out here. Currently we're still grinding in there, as you can tell. Here's the shop back and the grinder. You can see our repair. We fill the crack as full as we can, overfill it, and then we go ahead and grind it down. That's what he's doing here. So we're going to continue to grind this area here, all these little spots where we had some holes we had to patch in. And then in here, they'll come in and grind all these down, and it'll look just like the ones I just showed you guys. Okay, we have another deck at Timberlake Villages condo complex complete. This is our chocolate color with a little bit of forest green antique stains sprayed over the integral chocolate colors that we put in the concrete. So what I did was I added a little bit of charcoal into the chocolate to make it a little more taupey in the concrete mix and in the antique stain, and then the forest green and the taupe color were sprayed on at the same time, and I used a little bit of water to feather those two together.
It's all about humanity.
Yeah, let's see, going that way just gives it a lot, you just see a lot of shine and texture, which is okay. Come back this way so you can see more coloring. And I'm just going to pan the back side of this screen here so that we can just see more of the coloring going this way.
It's all about humanity.
Sun's kind of bright, so it's hard for me to really see exactly what I'm even looking at here, so I hope I'm getting some good shots here.
It's all about humanity.
If you guys got any questions about this job, go ahead and leave your questions in the comments. Let me know what you think about the job as well. Like the video if you like it, if you're over on YouTube. And if you like my work, go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well if you are on YouTube. Below this video there's going to be a couple of links. One is going to go to my Facebook business page. If you like what you see there, go ahead and like that page. The other one goes to my website where you can find more information. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a close-up on some of this stuff.
Daytime better call correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Rolling something like this. Daytime better call correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Like this.
And every one of these jobs is unique on its own because we do a lot of different things with it. Shades of color that are in the stains, how much color we actually put on our concrete when we lay it down, and the type of texturing that we do.
If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Kind of a unique spot right here. Again, if you guys like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like the video, leave me a comment, and we'll see you guys on the next project.